Hello, welcome back. In this presentation, I will show you how you can use the repeat or copy rule to prove some theorems. For example, P implies Q implies P. So I have P implies Q implies P as the theorem. There's no premise. I wanted to show this is always true. Okay, let's go ahead and prove this. So we need P as an assumption, right? And Q as another assumption. Since P assumption is already made, what I'm going to do now is I'll just write P again. What is the rule name in this case? It's called repeat rule. R stands for repeat of line number 1. So we can check the proof. Everything is okay. Yeah, no errors. And now we can easily complete the proof. All you have to do is from Q, we arrived at P. So we can just say Q or a mark P. This is just the implies introduction, right? We are introducing implies between lines 2 and 3. So let's see whether everything is okay. Yeah, no errors so far. And we can go ahead and do the same for P implies Q implies P. Okay, we are introducing 1 through 4. Yeah, that's it. So the repeat rule allows you to make use of theorems that you already proved or already assumed. So for example, I am assuming P and then I start with assumption Q. Since P is already assumed, I can repeat P. That's the reason I use the repeat rule. Now from Q, I was able to come to P. That means Q implies P. From P, I was able to come to Q implies P. That means P implies Q implies P. Okay, that's basically it. Thank you very much for your attention.